So OPG is our company. Okay, it needs a setup in ERP. So whatever is set up, it will have a finance department, it will have HR department, materials, inventory, logistics, sales department, operations, production department. So in ERP, we have to set up all this. So when we set up, the first step is set a company, then company code, then chart of accounts. This is in FI. Fourth is plant. Fifth is sales org. Sixth is location, which comes under plant. 7, purchase org. 8, storage location. This comes in MM, material management. This also comes in MM. Okay. Then we have sales org division, which comes in division with plant, because divisions are okay. Then distribution channel, which is geographical city location. 11, distribution channel, sales office, okay, which is again city or location wide. It can be multiple offices. Sales office, and then sales area, which is sales org plus distribution channel plus division plus sales area. I'm not wrong. Sales area. Oh, sorry, sales office. Okay. So that becomes sales area. 13. What do we have? We have these are enterprise structure. Yes. We have 13 is controlling area, which is for different currency reporting plus profit centers. So profit centers will be your either sales areas or sales offices or distribution channels. Okay, that of course your customer will decide that. Okay, so these are some of the settings that you need to be setting up in SAP. And after that, we begin with material types, material numbers, material master, and material group. What is material group? ROH, raw. We have FERT, which is finished goods, and HALV, semi-finished goods. Okay, these are material groups. Now, these material groups can be further, like for example, in raw, you will have raw chemical or raw sulfur or raw metal, grade 60. Okay. In semi-finished good, you will have, for example, SF sulfur carbonate, which is incomplete. So it is semi-finished good, incomplete form. Or you have printed lawn, but not packaged, but not packaged. Or what else? Metal grade. Melted metal grade 60, which is again semi-finished good. Okay. So material groups can be different. Material groups can differ for various reasons. These reasons are known to your customer. You have to know that and according to that. Because why do we need material groups? Because material groups are then integrated. For example, raw material is integrated, even semi-finished is integrated with GL accounts. Okay, now GL accounts are integrated at the level of valuation class. Valuation class is but what it is. It is based on material type, material, and what else? There's another one I will tell you that later when we do the valuations. Okay, GL accounts. Valuation class. The valuation class for raw will be different, for semi-finished good will be different. So if you are, for example, if you want to understand valuation class, we have to understand that, for example, if we are purchasing kerosene for production, okay, which is also used for production, for fuel, for maintenance, for anything. Okay, so the valuation class will be same because its different usage does not change the valuation class. It's the same kerosene. Okay, and for example, if you are um uh you're purchasing propylene gas, okay, it's used for plastics, it's used for propane gas, plastics manufacturing, or let's make it simple. Uh, for example, you are purchasing plastic sheets, okay, of 30 mm thickness, or 3 mm. 30 mm is too much. 3 mm thickness, okay, which will be used for toys or making pens or tables, whatever. Okay, so plastic sheets are being used for making toys. Okay, so there will be plastic sheets of 4 mm thickness too. Okay, which will be used again for. So whether you want to enter the include 3 mm and 4 mm in the same valuation class. Valuation means giving a value to materials based on their purchase history and purchase behavior, okay, and characteristics, features of these plastic sheets. Okay, so if the operational process of acquiring and purchasing plastic sheets is same, like having same vendor, same route, same freight charges, same shipping, then of course you can keep valuation class because this is plastics. You're dealing plastics in one valuation class. So that again, of course, you will decide how to do it. Okay. So that's how, and then the process once we are done, we create master of material. Okay. In material master, of course, you give details, descriptions, valuation class, profit center, plant, storage location, measuring units, and prices, and source list. And there are checks. Of course, you know how to make a material master. Okay. So once material master is done, okay, then you actually go for making source list, info, records, RFQ, quotation, PR, PO, GRN, and so on. So this is one part of your MM. Okay. So that's what we are going to make. Okay. We are right now over here in material types. We have already made material master. We'll make material groups. We are already doing this. Then we'll go for valuation class. Then we'll do this. Okay. That's how we'll do it. Okay.